Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 43. Dear students, let's have activity time. Take the correct time. From left to right in the first wall clock, the hour hand is at 8, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 8 o'clock. Tick 8 o'clock under the first wall clock. From left to right in the second wall clock, the hour hand is at 6, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 6 o'clock. Tick 6 o'clock under the second wall clock. From left to right in the third wall clock, the hour hand is at 2, while the minute hand is at 12. It is 2 o'clock. Tick 2 o'clock under the third wall clock. Draw hour hand to show the given time on these clocks. From left to right in the first clock, draw the hour hand from the central point to the digit 11. It will show 11 o'clock. From left to right in the second clock, draw the hour hand from the central point to the digit 5. It will show 5 o'clock. From left to right in the third clock, draw the hour hand from the central point to the digit 4. It will show 4 o'clock. Respectable teachers and parents make the children see and tell the time in a wall clock. Tell them that 1 hour has 60 minutes while 1 minute has 60 seconds. Help the children in activities and encourage them for developing more interest in their understanding of time telling. Advise them to respect their time, telling them that time once gone never returns. Ask the children to draw the time of their lunch and dinner on their notebooks. Tell interesting and motivational quotes about time to the children so that they may value their precious time. Appreciate the children's involvement in all activities related to time telling and clap for them. Thank you.